Running your own business often feels like you're wearing 10 different hats at once. One minute you're the product designer, the next you're answering customer questions, packing orders, writing social media posts, and trying to figure out why your ad isn't converting. It's exhausting, right? Most small business owners spend more time managing repetitive tasks than actually doing the creative work they love. But imagine if you could hand off 70 to 80% of those tasks to AI tools that work 24/7. That's what we're diving into today. The best AI tools for Etsy sellers, freelancers, and small business owners that save you time, reduce stress, and help your business grow. Let's jump straight in. Section 1. Etsy's own AI tools. Etsy has really stepped up its game with built-in AI features designed to make selling easier. One of the biggest time savers is their AI writing assistant. Instead of spending hours drafting messages, you can now generate replies in your own voice with just a click. Imagine getting a customer question about shipping. AI suggests a polite, informative answer instantly, so you respond faster. That quick communication often translates into more conversions and better reviews. Another fantastic feature is bulk listing title and attribute suggestions. Etsy's AI scans your shop's product descriptions, tags, reviews, and even images to suggest optimized titles and attributes. Instead of researching trending keywords yourself, you can apply these suggestions in minutes. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, the AI might recommend adding specific seasonal keywords like Mother's Day gift or boho silver necklace, boosting your visibility in search results. These tools save you hours every week and let you focus on the creative side of your business. Section 2. Dynamic Mockups. Next up is Dynamic Mockups, a must-have tool for anyone selling on Etsy or running a print-on-demand shop. High-quality product images can make or break a sale, but creating them is often expensive and time-consuming. Dynamic Mockups automates this by generating hundreds of professional-quality images with just a few clicks. Even better, it integrates directly with your Etsy shop, so you can update your listings without having to upload images manually. The AI can also create tailored backgrounds like seasonal settings, cozy interiors, or trendy flat lay images, so your products look polished and appealing. For example, if you sell tote bags, you can instantly showcase them in a beach scene for summer or in a cozy cafe for fall, helping customers picture how they'll use them. This not only saves time, but also makes your shop look far more professional and trustworthy. Section 3. SEO tools for Etsy. No matter how amazing your products are, they won't sell if people can't find them. That's where AI-powered SEO tools like eRank, Marmalade, Allura, and Everbee come in. These tools analyze trending keywords, competitor listings, and market data to show you what shoppers are currently searching for. For example, eRank might reveal that personalized tote bag or minimalist gold necklace is trending this month. By incorporating these keywords into your titles and tags, your products are more likely to appear in search results. That means more traffic to your shop and more sales without having to spend extra on ads. A simple keyword tweak guided by these tools can make a noticeable difference in your shop's visibility. Section 4. ChatGPT for content creation. When it comes to writing, ChatGPT is like having your own personal copywriter on call 24/7. You can use it to generate product descriptions, brainstorm new product ideas, draft email campaigns, or create engaging social media captions. Let's say you're launching a new handmade candle. Instead of staring at a blank screen for an hour, you can ask ChatGPT to write a warm, inviting description that highlights the scent, packaging, and mood it creates. You can also use it to respond to tricky customer questions politely and professionally. This saves time and keeps your brand voice consistent. Section 5. Customer Service Automation with TDO. Customer service is crucial, but it can also be one of the most time-consuming parts of running a business. Tools like TDO and other AI-powered chatbots help automate this process. These bots can answer FAQs like shipping details, return policies, or custom order questions instantly, even when you're asleep. For example, if a customer visits your shop late at night and asks about delivery times, the chatbot can provide the answer on the spot. That quick response improves customer satisfaction and can lead to more completed orders. Plus, AI chatbots are getting better at maintaining a friendly, brand-appropriate tone, so customers don't feel like they're talking to a robot. Section 6. AI Virtual Assistants. If you're a freelancer or small business owner juggling calls, meetings, and follow-ups, AI virtual assistants like M1's AI Assistant are a game changer. These tools can manage calls, transcribe conversations, summarize notes, and set reminders for follow-ups. Imagine talking to a client about a custom order, and instead of scribbling notes or forgetting details, the assistant captures the key points and reminds you to send a quote later. This keeps your workflow organized and ensures you don't miss out on opportunities. Section 7. Workflow automation with Zapier. Repetitive tasks can easily drain your time and energy. That's where Zapier comes in. Zapier connects the apps you already use, like Etsy, Gmail, Google Sheets, and Slack, so you can automate routine tasks. For example, you can create a Zap that automatically logs each sale in a spreadsheet, sends a thank you email to the buyer, and updates your inventory. By automating these processes, you reduce manual work, avoid errors, and free up time to focus on growing your business. Section 8. Marketing and content creation tools. Marketing often feels like another full-time job, but with the right AI tools, it doesn't have to be. You can use ChatGPT to draft engaging captions for Instagram, write email newsletters, or come up with blog post ideas. For visuals, Canva's AI image generator is a lifesaver. You can create stunning product mockups, promotional graphics, or even ad creatives without needing advanced design skills. For example, if you're launching a new holiday collection, you can quickly create seasonal graphics to promote it across social media platforms. Section 9. Data insights and analytics. To make smarter decisions, you need data, and AI tools make it easier to analyze. Analytics tools powered by AI can help you understand customer buying habits, optimize your pricing, and forecast inventory needs. For instance, you might discover that certain products sell better during specific seasons, or that offering free shipping increases conversions. These insights help you plan inventory, run promotions at the right time, and maximize profits without guesswork. If you're finding these tools helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using AI to grow your business and work smarter. Your support really helps us keep creating practical, easy-to-follow content. You'll also find links to all the tools we've talked about in the description below, so you can check them out and start experimenting with them right after watching this video. Take a few minutes to explore, try out the ones that fit your needs, and see how they can save you time and boost your productivity. Running an Etsy shop or a small business doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By incorporating these AI tools, you can save hours each week, reduce stress, and focus on the parts of your business you actually enjoy, like creating new products or connecting with customers. The real value of AI isn't just in automation, it's in giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters, your creativity, your strategy, and your passion. So start experimenting with these tools today. Find the ones that fit your workflow best, and watch how much smoother and more profitable your business becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.